Welcome to your online classes. Good morning, students. Today we are going to enjoy a beautiful story of a king from your English literature book Treasures of English under title The Strange Medicine. Dear students, this is a beautiful story of a king who stopped his every possible movement of his body and just rested the whole day. At the end of this story, we will get a very deep message. Before starting the story, I just want to introduce three characters of the story. First character is the king of Samepur. Second character, Ramesh. He was a farmer, an intelligent and hard-working farmer portrayed in this story. And the third character, that is attendants. What is the meaning of attendants? People whose job is to assist. Dear students, let us start this story. The royal proclaimer beats the old tom-tom to make an important announcement. An important announcement was made by a royal proclaimer that the king is ill and the person who will cure the king will get a reward. Why such an announcement was made? Because the king of Samepur is ill and it is not an ordinary illness. What is the meaning of ordinary? Ordinary means common. The disease of the king was not ordinary, was not common. It is an illness or disease, the medicine for which not known to the royal doctor. It means even the royal doctor was also not aware about the cure or the treatment of this unusual disease. The king was not able to sit and lie down properly. His attendants help him to make him sit and lie down on his bed. Now, the question of walking does not rise at all. Why the king is in this pathetic situation? All it happens to him because of his overeating and not exercising. The announcement regarding the king's illness was done earlier too, but there was no result. Doctors came and went, but not a single doctor was able to treat the king. Now, beating the tom tom or making the announcement has become a regular activity in the kingdom. A poor farmer, Suresh, also hears the announcement about the king's illness. Who was Suresh? Suresh was a very hard working and intelligent farmer. He comes to know about the real cause of the king's illness and he makes a plan to cure the king. To present himself as an experienced doctor, he did not shave for a long period of time. And when he looks like an experienced doctor, he directly came to the or directly went to the king and said, Excellency, I am not an ordinary doctor. Who said these words? These words were spoken by Suresh, who was a poor farmer. He said, You can call me kings of doctors. Now the king was not having any other option, so he allows Suresh to treat him. But before starting the treatment, Suresh told the king that you have to follow my instructions, otherwise, my medicine will not work. Suresh asked the king to pluck and chew 5 neem leaves every morning from a particular tree. And where is the tree? The tree stands about 500 steps from the main gate of the king's palace. And one important thing is that the king has to perform all the actions by himself without taking any other assistance. And the king has to follow these instructions or follow these rules and regulation for 30 days. Means the king has to chew 5 neem leaves from a particular neem tree that was 500 steps away from the main gate of the palace, and king has to perform this activity on his own for 30 days. The king has no choice to save his life. He has to start following Suresh's advice. But it was very difficult for the king to follow the instructions. Very first day, he managed himself to walk to the neem tree, but not without the help of his attendants. After coming back from the main gate of the palace on the first day of treatment, he slept for the whole day. Why? Because he was very tired. Earlier I told you bacha कि king was not able to sit and lie down on his own. He needs the assistance, or he needs the help of his royal attendants for performing his daily routine. Next day, Suresh, who is in a disguise of a doctor, comes there and gets the report of the king, and he comes to know that king was tired on the first day, means after the first day treatment he was very tired and he slept for the whole day. But Suresh encourages the king to continue his treatment, and the same incident is repeated the next day, second day, third day, and the continuously up to the 30 day. As the day passes, the king finds himself that now he is able to walk up to the tree on his own. After 15 days, the king feels much better, and he appears to be somewhat slim rather than previous stage. It was a great surprise for everyone. Now the king is very happy because previously he was not able to sit and stand up on his own, but now he can not only sit and stand up, but he can also walk. It was Suresh who made him realize the importance of exercise and the ills of overeating. Now, dear students, you have seen that how important exercise is for our health. It means we have to stop overeating and we have to do exercise daily. Dear students, today we have enjoyed a very beautiful story under title The Strange Medicine, and we have also learned a very deep message that exercise is very important in our life. If we are doing exercise, we are happy, we are healthy, and we are able to do our work very well. Dear students, I hope you understand the story. We will meet in our next class. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Have a nice day. Thank you.